For marriage certificate registration, a total of 284, 280 for timely registration, and 4 for delayed registration. Application for marriage accepted, 192. Marriage license issued, 155. For death certificate registration, a total of 790. For timely registration, we have 762. And for delayed registration, 24. And we have 4 fetal death registration. For transfer of cadaver issued, we have 418. And prepared burial permit, 397. For petition filed under Republic Act 1948 for correction of clerical errors in the birth certificate, we have processed 92 and 6 for change of first name. For change of gender in the birth certificate under Republic Act number 10172, we have processed 4 petitions, and out of 102 petitions filed by the petitioners, we have already received the approved or affirmed petitions from the Office of the Civil Registrar General, a total of 96 approved petitions. For registration of court decrees and legal instrument, for authority to use the father's surname and admission of paternity of illegitimate child under Republic Act number 9255, we have processed a total of 1,150. For marriage license application of foreigner wishes to marry a Filipina, we have accepted 3 legal capacity to marry from their country of origin. We have processed 8 court orders for the annotation of the annulment of marriage, and under the legitimation process by virtue of Republic Act 9858 for the legitimation of a legitimate child by the subsequent valid marriage of the child's biological parents, we have processed a total of 40 applications. And for the request for certified true copy of civil registry for records, as per client's request, we have issued a total of 904 requests. And our collection as of May 17, 2024 is amounting to 1,098,380. That would be all. Good morning once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your informative report. And now let's hear a message from our City Vice